What's up guys, it's Paige. I'm back again on this dead channel because everybody on my Instagram that you should follow was like, do a makeup tutorial. So that is why I'm here, to give the people what they want. So first I start off with my nubs, aka eyebrows, and I fill one of them in with this Wet n Wild eyeshadow. And sorry you can't really see what's happening here, but I just kind of draw them in. They look different every day. Today actually wasn't too bad of an eyebrow day. So I do that to that eyebrow, and then I use this NYX palette and do blue on the other eyebrow, cause quirky. Yeah, here you go. This is what I do. Then I take this Maybelline eyeliner and I do it on the tail of the black eyebrow to make it bolder. And then I take this concealer with a brush, and I don't know why I did that, and I just carve them out to make them look, sharp and make them look like nice eyebrows. I like them to be like thin but bold, you know? just look at what I'm doing. Then I take the same concealer from before. I'm so aggressive, the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. And I put this all over my problem areas, which I guess I should be putting it all over my face because it's all a problem area! Wow, we love self-deprecation. And then I take this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder and I use this sponge. No, that's not a sponge. Fluff? Poof? Powder puff. Is that what it's called? I think that's it. I put it all over my face. And then I take this palette that shall not be named because I don't know what happened. There was like a scandal with the brand. I don't know, doesn't matter. And I make my nose look better, I think. So I put two lines on the side and then this line on the top and one on the tip of my nose. And don't worry, it looks stupid now, but it'll look better, I promise. And I blend it out a bit and then put powder on the white areas. I don't really know what this does, but I've seen other people do it. Okay, now it's time for the fun part, the eyeliner. So, I like to draw my eyeliner more like up than out. You can kind of see what I did. And I draw the top line and then the bottom line, and then I connect those two with a triangle because my eyes are kind of hooded, and this just makes the eyeliner look a lot better. And then I fill it in and I do the same thing on the other eye, and I really like my eyeliner to be like thick because I'm emo. Why am I like this? Why? Okay, I'm so sorry. Then I take the flat brush with some concealer again and kind of clean it up, and I use the same black eyeshadow and angled brush as before to like, I don't know, set the eyeliner. And then I take this black eyeshadow from like a mystery palette, I don't know what it's called, and I put it underneath to make to make myself look like a raccoon, but like in a good way, you know? Then I take this e.l.f. highlighter and what the frick, why am I so aggressive? Okay, then I take this Wet n Wild waterproof eyeliner and I put this on my inner corners, and when I say this is waterproof, it is waterproof, like it does not come off, so I do not put this on my whole eye. And then I do these little triangles on the lower part of my eye. I don't really know why, it just kind of adds some spice, some flavor. And then I take this white eyeliner and I put it on my waterline to kind of make my eyes pop. I don't know why I have to defend everything I do. Okay, and then I just wipe off all the excess powder on my nose and kind of blend it out. And I take this Essence mascara and I just plop that on my top and bottom lashes. Yes. Okay, if I do one more peace sign in this video, I'm gonna actually, like, lose it. What am I doing? Okay, and then I contour, kind of bronze, I don't know, I put this on my cheekbones and under my chin, and then I use the same NYX palette as before, take the top two right colors, put that all over my face. Just kidding, not all over, you can see what I did. And then I take this brow pomade and go absolutely crazy with the freckles, Just so random. And then it's supposed to look kind of unblended, but yeah, you can see what I'm going for. Then I take this Essence Melted Chrome eyeliner and I put that underneath my inner corners on the tip of my nose. What am I laughing at? Who knows? And then I put that on the bridge. Yeah, there we go. Cute. And then I take the e.l.f. highlighter again and I put that under my brow bones and then on my cheekbones. Then I take these Hikoku lashes I got off of Amazon, and I like this pair the best, so I use these most often. And I very intensely apply the lash glue, and I let it kind of get a little bit tacky, and then just go ham with them. I just use my hands and get right in there. Why? Okay, and then I take this black eyeliner thingy and I use it to line my lips. And yeah, I know I overline them, okay? I'm aware. It's whatever. And I just put these, I line my lips. And I use the NYX Liquid Suede black lipstick. I like it a lot. It's nice and, like, thick. No, what's the word? Opaque. Oh, then I almost died. And then that's it. There's the look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you learned something. I hope you had a great time watching this, and I might see you again soon. I don't know. I kind of embarrassed myself. Okay, bye.